Hey everyone, so today I'm gonna be doing kind of a special look. It's a lot smokier than what I normally do, so I really hope you guys enjoy some variety in my channel. Today I'm gonna be using the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Primrose palette, and this is a unique edition because there are 10 eyeshadows and 2 cheek colors within the palette. And the look I'm doing today is kind of this beautiful smoky kind of like pink, orange, purple sunset vibes on my eyes. So I really hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Without further ado, let's get started, and I hope you enjoy this video. Today I'm actually going to be using a local brand called Two Halves, and I have been trying to use more like local stuff. And this is their water cream, the Two Halves Better Balance Nutrients Networking Water Cream. And I really like this because I'm not a big fan of watery gels, but this one goes in really nicely. So for my foundation, I'm actually going to be just using a concealer, and I've been really liking just using concealer as my foundation, especially if it's very creamy or very liquidy. I'm using the Mercier Secret Camouflage Dual-Ended Brighten and Correct Duo. So they have a concealer on one end and a highlighter on the other. Let's use this today. So I'm just gonna go in with my concealer, and I really actually love this product because it blends so easily into my skin, and it blends in actually really easily. Before I move on to powder, I just want to do my eye makeup first, so in case I have any fallout. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Brow Lift, and my color is in black brown. And I'm just gonna go ahead and fill in my brows. Alright guys, so I've done my brows, and now it's time for my eyeshadow. It is the newest Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. It has a lovely selection of shades. They are very strong colors, but I would say there are 10 eyeshadow colors, and also 1 blush and 1 contour. The contour is actually very warm, so I'm pretty concerned about that. Apply that on my eyelids. So I'm gonna go in with Peony. This pink is very bright. Pick up Mango, and we're gonna put that in the eye socket to warm it up. All right, the next thing I'm gonna go in with is a darker color, and I want to use something like this claret, kind of like a burgundy color. So it's like almost forming this halo shape on the eye. I don't know if you can see that. I'm gonna blend it and make it soft. You can kind of see it makes my eyes more defined. My finger into rose water, and it's super creamy and luxe, but I'm gonna smudge this in the center of my eye. So just put some in the center of your eye like this. You see that? And you can blend around the edges softly, so when it's like a halo. And then this is a powder I've been using. It's from Be Skin. I think I have talked about it before, but it's like my powder at the moment. So it's just a loose powder, so that when you put your contour, it's not gonna be patchy. So I'm gonna go in with the shade in Saddle, and just a little bit because it's looking really warm, and we're gonna contour. Go. That's actually really nice. So that's the shade in Saddle from the palette. So now I'm gonna take the blush in Grapefruit, and we're gonna put this on my cheeks. Let's see what it looks like. Grapefruit from the palette. And now I'm just taking a little bit of rose water and we're putting that on as my highlight. And that's actually really nice, guys. Whoa! Alright, so that was the Anastasia Beverly Hills Primrose palette. Overall, the colors and the pigments are just as expected from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Very pigmented, very easy to blend and easy to go on. But overall, it's lovely. And the color choice is actually not that bad. Alright, the last thing I have here is something also from Anastasia Beverly Hills, is their new Satin lipsticks. So my color is in Rose, and let's put this on the lips. This is quite interesting because I'm just gonna say it looks a lot like the Sunny's Face matte lipsticks, because there's like almost a, when you look at it, it's almost like a velvet texture to the bullet. So I haven't really seen that in a lot of other lipsticks, but I think it's slowly gaining a lot of traction. Their range only has about 4 or 5 colors, which are all kind of like dark. So if you're not really into like very darkish colors, then it might not be for you, but I hope that they launch more because the texture is actually really nice. I like to just build up color slowly. When you pat it on, it's actually very nice. I have put these on full on, but I think it's like too much for daytime. Something like that. Wow. So I recently have been scrolling through TikTok, and I've been looking at a lot of TikToks using like setting spray, and of course I use setting spray. I have tried a lot of different ones, but this one is quite viral on TikTok, and it is the Milani Make It Last setting spray. It says 16-hour wear on it, and when they do the test, they like swatch eyeshadow, and then when they spray it, they leave it on for a while, and then they can't like wipe it off anymore, the eyeshadow. So I'm thinking this is some powerful stuff, so I went to buy it. It's like about 20 bucks at Watson's. So I'm actually gonna see if my makeup actually lasts pretty much the whole day with and longer with the setting spray. Actually very nice on the skin. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and follow me on Instagram if you haven't, at Roseanne Tangeres. And yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!